Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna discuss a long awaited topic that I really wanted to discuss first but I did not. And before I start discussing anything about the topic, I would like you all to take it like my opinion only, with no confirmed or reliable information, because I am not an expert to talk about this matter, and whatever I'm gonna say is just based on my analysis and thinking, and I could be absolutely wrong, and it seems I could be absolutely wrong. So guys, the topic I'm gonna discuss in this topic is when this COVID-19 pandemic really going to end. Again, as I say, don't consider any information, anything that I share in this video as reliable, because I'm gonna say based on my analysis. So guys, I don't see this is gonna be end soon, but yes, what I see is soon it's gonna be changed from pandemic to endemic. How it will be that based on vaccination. So right now vaccinations are going really high in most of the world in developed countries, but in some countries the percentage is really low. Even among developed countries, because of vaccine hesitancy and anti-vaccine campaigns, many countries haven't reached their target. For example, we know that in United States, as of now, like more than one third of their population is not vaccinated. So that means like still they haven't reached the level of immunity they really wanted to. So what does it mean that this is going to continue. Same thing we are seeing in other countries also. Even in Israel, they had to take some restriction back. UK had done tremendous job, like, but still there is a significant population that has been shied away from getting it, and same thing in Canada. But what I see, because here the numbers are high, and governments across these countries are making policies related to travel and access to other facilities that would encourage some people, those who haven't taken, to go ahead and take. And that would really help, because right now if you see in US, Canada, a lot of things are open which are not open in many other countries. So here I see the opportunity. But on the other side, in countries where the vaccination is low and the infection is high, I would not be surprised if we have more variants of concerns or variants of interest popping up. So considering that, what I believe is, like, in next few months, maybe the pandemic gets changed to endemic, because not all countries will be affected. Maybe by this year end, although it's going to be very challenging, but yes, some countries are reaching their numbers, like Canada, almost 80% for first dose for eligible people, and this number is gonna grow soon. So definitely that's gonna be beneficial. But overall I see is that it's gonna stay for longer than we originally thought. But ultimately I think this is gonna be changed to endemic. But there is a strong possibility that more variants of concerns will pop up down the line. Until then, like, there is nothing that we all can do rather than getting our dosages and following the guidelines. So what I believe, like, all of us should be following our guidelines, should be getting our dosages, so that ultimately we contribute to the reopening. But it will be like really interesting to see. So I think it's not gonna end soon. But yes, I do see that by this year end, this is gonna be changed to endemic. Again, there's no reliability of this information. This is what just I think, and it could be absolutely wrong, and it may be absolutely wrong. So let's see, guys. I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening in Canada. Thanks for watching.